How to turn on dark mode on WeChat. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you'll learn how you can turn on dark mode on WeChat. So if you're currently using the light mode and you want to turn on the dark mode, it is simple. First of all, launch the WeChat application on your Android smartphone. Then move to the lowest part of the screen where you can see options like chats, contacts, discover me. Just click on the me option, and then on the me page you can see other options like favorite, my post, sticker gallery, settings. So click on settings. On the settings page you can also see other options. Ensure you select general is located under chat. Now on general's page you can see the first option under interface and display as dark mode, so select it. So after selecting it, you can see two options here: normal mode, dark mode. Just click on dark mode. After clicking on it, you move to the top right corner and click on done. And then you can see new settings will take effect after restarting WeChat. So select OK. You wait for it to load. Wait for your WeChat account to be restarted, and as you can see, dark mode has been turned on. It is that simple. So you can now enjoy WeChat in a more comfortable and eye-friendly mode. Thank you and have a good day.